Hi. Uh, I have run into a weird situation where the column G and H are actually equal, but when I try to compare these two, uh, Excel says the data doesn't match. The problem is the data type in G and H is different. This one is treated as string, and this one is treated as number. So if I go and edit it, then both are converted. This is also converted to text, and the comparison is true. So how could I convert this to, I cannot go and kind of edit cell, each and every cell manually. So easiest way is to go to text column and then select whatever you want because it doesn't really matter. I'll go with delimited. Make sure that nothing is impacted in your, like it's not being split for any reason. And then here in the next column, you have to select this radio button which says text, and the whole column would be converted to text in one go. And there you go. Saves you a lot of manual effort. Thank you.